Wake up, babe. What's the matter? You didn't touch your daylight savings time. Don't you love it? Are you like me and every daylight savings time since 2022 when we almost banned that? You wake up, see that it's daylight savings time and go, didn't we get rid of that? And then Google it. That's me. Your alien overlord hates daylight savings time. A Gulf Coast low-pressure system is forecast to spread scattered showers and thunderstorms across the southeast through Monday. Isolated flash flooding is possible, with between 2 to 4 inches expected from the Florida Panhandle to the southeast coast by Tuesday morning. Flood watches are in effect along portions of the Georgia-Florida border throughout tonight. Meanwhile, waves of low pressure moving across southern Canada will promote a warm southerly flow to the northern plains and to the upper Midwest at the start of the week. While temperatures in the 50s to 60s may not be eye-catching, they'll still represent 25 to 30 degree anomalies for parts of the Dakotas and Minnesota. Some high temperature records may be tied or broken as well. Temperatures moderate a bit on the backside of the cold front midweek. A deeper surface wave will begin the dive into the northern Rockies and Plains tonight. While the system isn't likely to produce much precipitation, it may generate some gusty winds from Montana tonight into the Dakotas and Minnesota on Monday, where the high wind watches and warnings are in effect. Snow is likely for the Northwest Mountains, as well as for the Adirondacks and the Green and White Mountains over the next couple of days. McMurdo Station on the Ross Sea is getting snowed on, and that snow is going to continue at least through 3 a.m. They've got 16 degrees temperature with winds from the south at 40 miles per hour with wind gusts up to 51 miles per hour. As you can see, the camera out there at McMurdo Station is giving us the real-time look at how it is, and that is a real feel in the shade of negative 16 degrees. Those are some serious winds. Stay safe, Antarctica. As you can see, Alaska is cold right now, and there is precipitation off the coast. Alaska, you can expect periods of generally light precipitation on the northern periphery of the storm into the coastal southern and southeast Alaska regions. Guidance signal is growing in support of another deep and low-pressure frontal system back towards the Aleutians next week, and they're monitoring it, especially given the upper flow amplification. So it's snowing now. It's probably going to snow more, but they will let you know when they can tell better. For Hawaii, we've got high pressure north of the islands. It's going to maintain strong trade winds into the middle of next week. Expect those periods of windward and Mauka showers. You can see the sprinkling across the radar right now. This is particularly true overnight and during the early morning hours. Winds will ease some during the second half of the week. Now get the crap up. Whatever it is you're late for, you're an hour late to it, because if you're like me, you trusted that your modern technology would wake you up at the correct time, regardless of daylight savings time, but it didn't for some reason. Have fun. Have fun with your day. I love you guys. Bye. Yeah, you're going to feel hungover all day. It's just part of being kind of old. Welcome to the Being Kind of Old Club, everybody who feels tired all day, even though some of us have felt that our entire life. Why are we doing this still? Okay, for your weather girl, next time this comes up for vote, can we get rid of it, please? Weather girl,